They got to see a fucking halo. About to meet my mega brought a double cup of Drano. Soda for the flavor, uncontrollable behavior with some psychopathic tendencies. Lonely as your neighbor with the bitches, she got special needs. Work to my denim fiends, Kennedy on ecstasy. My flavor from the nature, need an acre for my recipe. They got my soul, but I don't let them take the rest of me. My melody, a little like Kenny G's, it's heavenly. And my denim Taylor. Me in action rapping, I'll be fucking with the fader. Sipping mine the razor, actually. We rapping for the fuck of it. Taking money from me, going smack you out in public. You the Republican government. Abundance of substance, have a consumption of fuck a bitch. You're a banana republic fit, don't suck a dick. And your bitch looking like cousin It, the ugliest.
I said it must be the drugs, they got us thinking crazy shit. Groupie bitches wild enough to suck a baby stick. Cadillacs is getting whipped 180 fit. Just for that sizzle, Vortex in case of drizzle.
I said it must be the drugs, they got us thinking crazy shit. Looking up into the clouds where the angels sit. They looking down, keeping watch till I'm dead. So how'd I get this red dot on my head?
Yo, I don't perform unless the money's in my pocket first. After rapping, take my people out for octopus. We all deserve it, dedication to the fam. Don't hold your hand out for nothing if you claim to be my man, damn.